Now, the basic that I let you know is, first, as you know, basically in the rules of debit and credit, if we are talking about the rules of debit and credit, okay, and in that particular rules of debit and credit, there is basically three golden rules. Three golden rules of accounting. Normally, there are basic three rules of accounting. The first is, we can say, personal account. The next is real account, and the last is nominal account. The basic three accounts are, first is personal account, the second is real account, the third is nominal account. The personal account. Okay. First we will discuss about this personal account. In that personal account, the rule is receiver the debit and giver the credit. देखो, it's very easy beta. See, as per there are three golden rules of account. First is personal account, the second is real account, third is nominal account. Personal account is dealing with individual person, individual account. Example, या बेटा, हाँ बेटा बोलो. हाँ रितु, please tell. Now, if we are talking about first rule is personal account, individual से relate करता है, like Ram, Shyam, Mohan, Sohan, any debtor, any creditor, any customer. This belongs to any individual. कौन? Personal account. And the rule of personal account is receiver the debit and giver the credit. This is one basic rule. Now, if we are talking about the real account consists of assets purchased or sold. Assets, any type of assets, whether we are purchasing it or whether we are selling it. It is related with the assets, and the other is liabilities. If we are talking about the rule of real account, the rule of real account is the rule is what comes in is debit. क्या बोला मैंने? What comes in is debit, and the next is what goes out is credit. This is the basic rule of real account beta. First is what comes in debit. क्या बना है यहाँ पे rule? What comes in debit and what goes out credit. बस हमें यहाँ रखना है. यहाँ पे क्या था rule? Receiver the debit, giver the credit. यहाँ पे rule क्या है? What comes in debit and what goes out credit. Now if we are talking about a nominal account. Nominal account किससे deal करता है? Nominal account is dealing with expenses, losses and income and gains. किससे डील करता है? Expenses, losses, income and gains. Okay. Now Garima is there. Hello, Garima. Garima, audible? Okay. So this we have started. We are talking about the chapter number 6, that is rules of debit and credit. There are basically three golden rules of accounting. First we are the personal account, the second is real account, and the third is nominal account. If we are talking about the personal account, again I am repeating. Personal account, personal account relate to individual account like Ram, Sham, Mohan, so on, like this. ये दिस टॉपिक इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज पूरा का पूरा अकाउंटेंसी स्टार्ट ही इससे होता है. ठीक है. कब आपके पास पैसा आएगा, कब आपका आएगा, आपके पास से पैसा जाएगा, आपको कब ट्रांजेक्शन्स को डेबिट करना है, कब ट्रांजेक्शन्स को क्रेडिट करना है, ऑल दीज थिंग्स रिलेटेड टू दीज थ्री अकाउंट. लाइक इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द पर्सनल अकाउंट, द पर्सनल अकाउंट इज रिसीवर द डेबिट एंड गिवर द क्रेडिट. जिसको मिलता है वो डेबिट और who is going to give us is credit. Now the next rule is real account. Real account is dealing with assets, purchase or sale, liabilities increase or decrease or liabilities, whatever we are saying. The rule of real account is what comes in debit and what goes out credit. जो हमारे पास आएगा वो डेबिट है और जो हमारे पास से जाएगा वो क्रेडिट है. This is our second rule of real account. Now if we are talking about nominal account, first these rules you have to learn. Now where you have to apply, I will explain you one by one with the help of some examples. Now this is your nominal account dealing with expenses, losses, income and gains. These are some basic examples of nominal account. Now first we are talking about the rule. The rule is expenses and losses debit. Expenses and losses debit. The second is income and gains credit. This is the basic thing. Now real personal account, the rule is receiver the debit, giver the credit. Real account, what comes in debit, what goes out credit. Nominal account dealing with expenses and losses. Expenses and losses debit, income and gains credit. First of all, tell me ये आया आपको समझ में? Okay. Now, first I am explaining you with the personal account. ठीक है. The rule of personal account is receiver the debit and giver the credit. And as I told you earlier, this is dealing with individual like Ram, Sham, Mohan, so on. Business started with cash like this. Now if I am talking about like some example is first paid cash to Ramesh rupees 15,000. Paid cash to Ramesh 15,000. This is your first basic entry. Now as per the rule of personal account we are talking about. Who is Ramesh? The receiver or giver? Tell me beta. Who is Ramesh? As we are paying cash to Ramesh, so who is going to receive the funds? Who is going to receive the money? This particular Ramesh is going to receive the money. So as per the rule, Ramesh is the receiver. And as per the rule of receiver account, as per the rule of personal account, the receiver is going to be debit. Okay. And the second most element is cash. The second most element is cash. What we are paying is cash. As per the rule of second, that is real account. Real account rule is what goes out is credit. आप किसी को पैसे देंगे तो आपके पास से कुछ जाएगा. Something is going out. क्या जाएगा? दिस पर्टिकुलर कैश इज गोइंग आउट. तो फर्स्ट what goes out is credit. So थी बेसिकली हमारे पास हर एक ट्रांजेक्शन में बेसिकली दो ट्रांजेक्शन्स होने चाहिए, दो चीजें होनी चाहिए. द फर्स्ट इज डेबिट, the other is credit. There should be two transactions, debit or credit simultaneously as per the rule of double entry system. If there is two transactions, one is debit, one is credit, then our transaction is going to be completed. So here our transaction is to be completed. That particular Ramesh is going to be debited and the cash which is going out from our business is credited. This is first example. Now if we are taking the example of receive cash from Soumya rupees 10,000. We are getting the cash and who is going to give us cash? Soumya. Soumya is our giver. कौन दे रहा है हमें पैसे? सौम्या दे रही. तो सौम्या क्या हो गई? गिवर हो गई. And as per the rule, receiver the debit and giver is credit. And something we are getting, we are receiving something. What we are receiving? Cash. So as per the rule, what comes in, कुछ आ रहा है हमारे पास. क्या आ रहा है? कैश आ रहा है. तो कैश क्या हो जाएगा? डेबिट हो जाएगा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी बेटा, ये चीज क्लियर है आपको कि नहीं? Like the next transaction is purchase goods for cash rupees 1,50,000. हमने क्या खरीदा? गुड्स खरीदा. वो भी किस फॉर्म में खरीदा? कैश के फॉर्म में खरीदा. हमने क्या खरीदा? गुड्स खरीदा. यानी आपके पास दो मेन एलिमेंट होने चाहिए और दो मेन एलिमेंट हमारे पास हैं. फर्स्ट हमारे पास से कुछ जाएगा हम खरीदेंगे तो, एंड हमारे पास कुछ आ भी रहा है. ठीक है. तो यहां पे पहला आपका रूल लगा परचेज गुड्स. ठीक है. तो हमारे पास यहां पे रूल लगा रियल अकाउंट का, व्हाट कम्स इन डेबिट. एंड हमारे पास से कुछ जा रहा है. क्या जा रहा है? कैश. तो एज पर द रूल व्हाट गोज आउट. क्या गया आपके पास से? कैश गया बेटा. तो कैश क्या हो जाएगा? जस्ट सिंपली कैश विल गोइंग टू बी credited. Is it clear class? इतने में कोई डाउट टिल येट? हाँ, तो फर्स्ट नोट इट डाउन विद. ओके. So in that particular real account, purchase building for cash rupees 1,50,000. What we are purchasing? Building is purchasing. So as per the rule of real account, what comes in debit? Building आया, building को debit कर दिया. In some mode we are paying something, and what we are paying? In cash we are paying for the purchase of building. So what goes out is credit. So the building is going to be debited and cash is going to be credited. This is your first example. Now second is purchase machinery for cash या for purchase machinery through check. कैसे खरीदा हमने? चेक के फॉर्म में खरीदा 10 लाख. क्लियर. हमने क्या खरीदी? मशीनरी खरीदी. तो एज पर द रूल ऑफ रियल अकाउंट, व्हाट कम्स इन डेबिट? अगेन क्या आ रहा है आपके पास? मशीन इज कमिंग. तो व्हाट कम्स इन, द बेसिक रूल इज डेबिट. सो द मशीनरी विल बी debited. And in what mode we are paying? Check. चेक हम कहाँ पे लगाते हैं? चेक हम लगाते हैं बैंक में। तो यहाँ पे चेक का डायरेक्ट कांटेक्ट किससे है? बैंक से है। ठीक है, क्योंकि चेक हम विड्रॉ कहाँ करते हैं, चेक डिपॉजिट कहाँ करते हैं? हम बैंक में ही करते हैं। दैट मीन्स वी आर पेइंग परचेजिंग द मशीनरी थ्रू check, matlab we are paying for this by bank. Okay, so from our bank the amount will getting to be reduced. So as per the rule, what goes out? हमारे बैंक से क्या हो जाएगा? अमाउंट कम हो जाएगा, क्रेडिट हो जाएगा। तो क्रेडिट कहां से? बैंक से। तो बैंक क्या हो जाएगा? क्रेडिट। इज इट क्लियर क्लास? इज इट क्लियर?